I'll get it, dear. Mr. Jameson. Mr. Jameson, this is Peter's Aunt May speaking. He's in bed with a bad cold. There, you see? So you'll just have to find someone else. That Mr. Jameson gets so excited.
What did he say?
Oh, something about you taking pictures of a crooked spider.
What is it?
This cold remedy has been in the family for over 100 years.
Tastes like it, too.
Get some rest now. Oh, you poor boy. You should have been better by now.
I feel better, honest.
Well, just to be sure, here's a nice cup of senna tea, cod liver oil, and lemon juice. I'll get it. Yes? Oh, good evening, Mr. Jameson. I'm sorry, but Peter is not going anywhere until he gets over the cold. Imagine wanting you, a sick boy, to go to the airport this time of night.
Airport? Aunt May, I feel kind of, sleepy.
That's because of the soothing potion I put in your tea, dear. Sleep well, Peter.
Made it.
Poor boy. He must be sicker than I thought. Oh, well, sleep is the best medicine. I just can't understand why you're not better, Peter. My cold remedies have always worked before. Nothing like barley soup with plenty of pepper to keep your strength up.
Thanks, Aunt May.
Now eat your soup like a good boy.
Yes, Aunt May. Wow. Between my cold and that pepper... Pepper! Hey, I bet that's the answer.